How to open a checking account with your Wells Fargo Online. Hello, everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up the steps. So, what you may do is you may head over to checking account website of Wells Fargo. For that, you can head over to wellsfargo.com and directly search for this link of checking accounts. Tap on it and open up the particular website. Now you can just head over and look out for your checking account. We have different accounts available. We have most popular in teen and students and different premium accounts available. Once you're within the page, you can easily find an open now option within your screen. Before doing so, you can look out for all of the account options and compare all the accounts. After that, tap on open now. Once you tap on open now, you will be taken to another page again. So wait for that page to load up completely first. And then you may get started. So you may tap on let's go, which is sign in option. So what you need to do is you can start with basics. First of all, you need to just go ahead and provide your SSN or ITIN. After that, you need to provide your mobile number, which you would like to use in order to create your checking account. After that, tap on agree and continue. And once that is done, you just need to follow up the unscripted process. So you need to follow up the process in order to open up your checking account now. They will ask you different questions. You just need to go on with the verification process they will be asking. And once it completes, your checking account should be created and that way. So therefore, you may follow up this method. It is very easy. You can look out for the Wells Fargo checking account link very easily within the online browser. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.